just have to look for my card now so that I can punch it on this bus. That's my card. Card pin is 4499. So I have to punch here. Enter. Showing right, Baba. Thank you. Okay. I don't know. It wasn't an easy one, but I'd forgotten the pin, so I was guessing the pin. It wasn't getting me through. But now I had to recheck on the phone, and everything went well. So you see, this place is actually by the name as Helder Fontaine Residential Estate. Helder Fontaine. You see, Helder Fontaine View Residential Estate. That is in Fourways. So this is the entrance, guys. All right. This is the entrance to this area. And when you look behind me, it's like that. And that's me there. So I'm just going to find more transport, and I have to leave this area. So guys, make sure you're subscribed and hit the notification icon so that you, when I post a new video, guys, you'll be able to get notified. Look at those expensive cars coming out from this place. Most amazing. Right. Look at this. Amazing. Right. So for me, as a poor guy, I will have to go for those taxis that you see there. Now I'm going to get a taxi to Fourways, and Monte Casino from there. I'm gone. That will be for me for today. So guys, thanks for watching, and make sure you have subscribed. Like the area from here, guys. Look at this place from here. I thought I said goodbye, but no, it feels like right. Shooting it from this side, showing you this area from this side. Hope I'm getting it straight, guys. Let me just try this way. This looks great. Shooting it from here like this. You can see the complex very well. So this is the complex here, where the riches hide in Fourways in South Africa. And I think over there is another complex again, but unfortunately we won't be able to do it. There will be no need. For today, we'll just do this one, guys. So yeah, let's just keep it real and let's keep it short. Love you guys. See you again.